Mufasa lives in the jungle with his family and his son, Simba. Wild animals are patrolling the jungle, constantly on the move and searching for prey. Mufasa is attacked and killed by other wild animals. In the chaos, his wife quickly grabs their son, Simba, and escapes deep into the jungle, away from the danger. Mufasa's wife comforts Simba, telling him to stay strong, and reminding him that one day he must rise, be brave. Time passes and Simba grows stronger and wiser as the jungle and seasons change, marking his journey to becoming the leader he's destined to be. Groups of gorillas are seen performing various activities on the mountains. While another pride of lions and their families take control of the jungle, living peacefully and enjoying their rule. The jungle falls silent as Mufasa's wife has been dead by Hunter. Soon after, Hunter captures Simba and planning to take him away from the jungle to his home. The mission is clear: kill the hunter, save the lion cub. Wild beasts are raging through the jungle and the trees are burning. Hurry up! Protect the jungle before it's too late.